No, hey, Cooking 15 here. We're back for another video. I'm here with my little brother. We, we built this fire pit a while back, and we promised you we'd do some campfire pies. So we're gonna do some campfire pies. But we got a little something special for you. We added a feature. I was watching a Christmas movie the other day, with it being July and everything, like they always say, Christmas in July, and I saw this guy, he had a gas fireplace in his house, and, he had a remote control, and it, boom, it started right up, and, well, that's pretty nifty, so we went ahead, we modified our pit here for, remote control, so we're going to start it right now. You got the remote? Oh, I forgot to put it in my pocket there. But, yeah, we got this thing, we hooked it up on the, the D button on our TV remote, because, we figure safety and all, the kids don't ever hit the D button for any reason, so, but yeah, let's have at it. So I'm going to hit the D button here, and, we're going to get started. It was the D button, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's what we wired it to.
Did you get the batteries in this thing? Huh. I don't know what's going on here. I think it's got... I know I had this going.
You messed it up again, didn't you?
No, it was the D button. You got it pointed at it?
It's smoking.
Oh, something's going on here. Yeah. That's kind of making me nervous. Get out of here. What the? Oh, yeah, it's working. I was gonna say. Like they always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. Yeah, it's getting going. You can see it going in there. I don't know what took so long, but hey, it's going. D button. Oh yeah, it's really flaming up now. Take a little while to get going. I'm gonna throw a little more on here. Get that good. We're gonna let that, it's kind of like your barbecue grill. You gotta kind of get that going until you get some hot coals and all that. Once we got some hot coals, we're gonna make some campfire pies. Okay, we checking back in on the fire here, and you can see it's doing pretty good. And we don't quite have the right amount of charcoal we're looking for, but we just gonna keep at it. Okay, we back. We got our fire. We put a few more logs on there. We let it get good and hot. We got plenty of hot coals. We're gonna make our pies now. So what I got here is I got some pie irons. You ever seen these things? You can get them round, you can get them square. We making pies, so I went for the round ones because pies is round, squares is sandwich. So that kind of don't make no sense. So what I'm gonna do to get started here, I'm gonna kind of put them in the fire, let them get a little bit hot, and I'll tell you why here in a minute. So what I got some name brand pie filling. We're going with apple today. You can use cherry, use blueberry, whatever you want. Just make sure you use a name brand. It's gonna be a little sweeter. It's gonna be a little tastier. Probably have better quality apples in it, fresher apples, Okay. that kind of thing. Whew, that wind is blowing that fire right in my face. So yeah, you know, name brand. Now we're gonna start with some name brand bread, and you know, we're gonna use that. We're gonna use some fresh butter. You know, maybe some Amish butter, maybe some European style butter, whatever you want to do. You know, man, it's smoking pretty good. Okay, so what I've done here, they good and hot. You know, I burned all the dirt off of them because these been laying around in the yard and everything, and from last time we used them. So, woo, they hot. Alright, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take my butter. Get your pan, get your pie irons hot, get a little butter in there. It's going to sizzle, it's going to sizzle. You know, you dump a little out if it's too burnt, you can put some more. These are actually a little hotter than I would have liked them. So that's a good sign our fire's good and hot. Okay. Woo-wee! Look at that. Look at that. This is like a science project here. Woo-wee! Now you're gonna want plenty of butter. That might be a little too much. But you're gonna want plenty of butter. Yeah, that's still too much, but whew, that wind, you know. Alright, just enough. I'm gonna do that. Just like that. What I'm gonna do here, let's do this one here. I'm gonna put a piece of bread right there. I'm gonna put some pie filling in there. Yeah, let me do that over here. Careful not to overfill it. I like to make sure I get plenty of juice in there. Alright. Take my other piece of bread. Put that right on top of there. Now watch what I do here. This is a technique right here. I'm going to take that butter. I'm going to kind of pour it around. And you want that butter in there. Whee! And I'm going to close my pie. Alright, now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, I'm going to use the square pie iron. You know, we wasting a little bit. It's alright, trust me. You're going to want it to be round, because pies are round, and when you go eating it, it ain't going to feel like you're eating a pie. So I'm going to put this in here over the fire. You know, kind of hold it there a little bit. And let that cook a little while. And you thirsty? Yeah. I got my handy dandy. This is actually this ain't just a cooler, folks. This is for live bait. It keeps live bait in here. It's got a little hole you put a hose down in there, put your pump in there. But it's you know, it's cooler too. Yeah, it's a little hot, but okay. And what I got here, ooh,
Mexican Coke?
Oh yeah. That's from Mexico. They make this with sugar cane instead of the corn syrup. And tell you what, it tastes a lot better.
Just gonna get you one and not share.
Oh, you thirsty?
The heck is that? It's not Coke.
I only have one.
How are you gonna buy one? There's two of us.
I bought two, but I had one earlier. Anyway, we're gonna let this cook real good.
What is this?
It's cool and refreshing.
It's got no labels.
You know when you open up a Coke, I always use Coke.
Kool-Aid. Why are you giving me Kool-Aid?
It's good and refreshing. You'll like it.
At least it's open the Coke.
Man, it's smoking. All right.
Tastes like crap.
Man, that's good.
Did you make that yourself?
Alright, now what I'm going to do here, that wind is killing us. I don't know if you can see all that smoke coming in my face or what. But, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check on it. Now, this is a sign here that it's getting a little hot because the juices is coming out the side. It probably heated a little too quick. But usually the first one, you kind of get in the hang of it again, and then as you make more, they get better and better. But yeah, you can see here, this is good and brown there, but I actually like mine just a little bit darker. I'm going to try and check the other side. Now, oh yeah, the other side, I don't know if I can get that on. The other side there, look at that. That's perfect. That is perfect. And so I just got to do the side underneath here and get till I get that a little more brown. And I drink that already. It's hot. That fire's hot, I'll tell you. There ain't nothing hotter than a fire in July, you know, in the middle of the day. I'm sweating. You sweating?
No.
Yeah, it's getting pretty good there. I'm gonna say this is done. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this on a plate. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Try to get in the shadow. Let me try to get the... Whoa! That's real good right there. Cooking 1-5 style. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, campfire pies. I mean, it ain't got to be just camping. You do it in your backyard, in your fire pit. But that's how we do it. You got anything to say down there?
Yeah, it's campfire pie.
Well, like he said, it's campfire pie.
Ain't nothing to it.
Well, I mean, you gotta use the right ingredients and techniques and everything.
You bought a can and you bought some bread.
You guys still there? Okay, you still there? But anyway, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna eat this campfire pie and start thinking about our next video. What are we gonna do for our next video?
Get out of the seat.
All right, let's get out of here.